Well, the waterfall stopped working. If you're a follower of my page, probably seen recent videos of I opine. Oh, look at get the big words out. What's up with the thing? So the thing, the waterfall, has been off for, I don't know, a couple of weeks. And this is my friend, hermano, Randy. Randy doesn't know he's about to be on film, but this is the staff. They come down here sometimes for something to eat. It's low season, so you got the pool to yourself. And I joke, oh no, I don't joke, about never leaving the house. I'm kind of a loner, you know? But my friend Randy dove down the other day and was inspecting the drain, which is probably down here somewhere. And don't you know, there was a solo cup jammed into the drain perfectly, which would explain why we had no waterfall. So here's our dive instructor today with the complicated job of going to the bottom of the pool. And what are you doing exactly at the bottom of the pool? Putting a drain cover on it?
Two drain covers on.
Drain cover in the pool, and then he's going to expect me to put that in my mouth after it's been in his. So we'll see how Germ Fannin reacts to sharing mouthpieces with... Oh, I almost said it. That would get me banned, though. And if I want to keep it on the Dominican channel, I don't use that slur with my friend like I normally would if I wasn't recording. So, also, I got a $200 drone over here that I'm going to be testing. Maybe we'll get some drone shots of the attempted repair of the drain in the pool. The waterfall has been corrected. It's good because, see, this is the rock I hang off right here. See, I can do a pull-up out of the water off that rock. And because I can't do a pull-up of this 220-pound frame on land, if you're in the water, you can do it. So we're gonna bringing you some dive footage from the pool of Parazatropi today with our instructor Randy, who seems to have sprung a leak somewhere.
That yellow hose. No, on me. Oh, for here.
So I've already claiming myself useful. My father would say if he was dressed in this gear, he'd say, "Make yourself useless and hang me that, hang me that yellow." Shout out to my father. Make yourself useless, he used to say. All right. I didn't want to put one on without his permission, but I'll get him as he walks away. That's our GM. That's our property manager, general manager, Juan. And this has turned out to be, wow, a 4-minute video. Exactly how long it's supposed to be past my... Okay. This, I never put a snorkel, like if I had a snorkel when I was a kid. I've never done anything that requires a tank before. I haven't even gone out to the reef to swim with the fishes. I saw one once, but I have not been quick to get in the ocean with the wild animals yet. But a lot of my friends are doing it, and they're insisting that I do. So this is, again, that's the rock. So I'm 6'4", and I can do a hang on that on my sciatic and my spine. I was having all kinds of spine issues before that my hemp oil cure. I would just hang off this rock. Then, you know, one day I'm like, oh, remember, I can do a pull-up. No, in a plank You pull up and then hold it. Dude, if you hold that a couple times for 20 seconds each, your whole body will be sore the next day. I mean, even your toes. Everything, every muscle in your body gets worked from hanging off that rock. And that's why I don't do it anymore. I've quit the rock. I'm off the rock. Tranquilo. Ven acá. Ahora mismo. Ven acá. Pool diving. He's got 2 regs. What's the second reg for?
In case the first one takes a shit and you're down at 100 feet.
Oh. Makes sense.
Luckily, my first one's good, and if it takes a shit, I'll just
Yeah, you just come up.
They usually don't take a shit in shallow depths.
So there's 4 skimmers here?
Huh?
4 skimmers?
Yeah. Need a pair of sunglasses?
Did you find it in the dive gear?
Huh?
You find it in the dive gear?
It's in the couch.
This stuff's about to be painted, I think. The whole building is painted. For some reason they didn't get this one done. I'm grateful for the waterfall being back, because you can hear that around the complex. Tranquila. I like it. I guess, man, there's pups in every one of these things. Alright. Maybe we'll start maybe we'll start messing around with the drone. And get a little bit of footage of
Okay,
everything down.
can you go over there to the end, because I'm going to pop up. I need someone to hand me one of those drain covers,
Okay.
so I can take it down and see if it fits.
Okay.
Thank you.
I'm being useful. Barely. Which is fine with me. I'm on vacation. I get a pretty good life here. I do a little bit of work when I absolutely need to. No, when I have somebody that's serious. But man, I've gotten really good at almost weeding out way too many people that are not seriously buying now. I'm still working with people that will buy in the next year or 2 or longer, but a lot of tire kickers in this business. I got to hand drain covers now, so this is what we got going on here. And just taking a float over here. And I'm about to be useful beyond measure by just handing a drain cover. Oh, here we're going. We're going right down here. Oh, there's 2. Can't maybe see them. I can't see my own phone right now, but this is our job today. Our job. See, now I'm including myself. How is he descending so effortlessly? It's got to do with breath, I bet you. Probably letting all the air out of his lungs. Okay, I'm going to stop this now. Okay. All right. See you, love you, bye. Ven aquí, ven aquí, ven aquí. Ahora mismo, ven aquí. Okay? Okay. We're live from the pool at Teresa's Tropic Bar. Caribe Campo. Our diver, Raymond. Guys, is at the bottom of an 8.5-foot deep end. This can waste life to make a repair to the drain, installing a drain cover. this high-flying, risky operation was taken on voluntarily by Mr. Grace, and we only hold our breath, figuratively, as he descends to the bottom of an 8-foot depth to attempt this very dangerous operation. I'm Jim Bannon, reporting live from the north shore of beautiful Dominican Republic, here in Caribe Campo. Our fearless diver, our fearless diver, has re-emerged to the surface of this dangerous 8.5-foot setting in the pool.
Are there screws there?
There might be, Rabbit. Are there screws there? You might, Rabbit, you might. See? You want a screw?